How to change navigation voice language in Google Maps. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be taking you guys over with a step-by-step guide on how you can change your navigation voice on Google Maps. First off, you need to go ahead and open up Maps on your device. Just make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from there, you want to find your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. From here, you want to find the settings menu at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on that. From settings, all you have to do is scroll down here. You can find the app language up top, but this is not the voice language. So for navigation voice, you need to scroll down here and find navigation. From here, you can find the voice selection. By default, it's on English. So if you speak another language, you can just tap on voice selection and select your default language from here. Let's say if you want to select Spanish, you can just tap on Espanol, tap on it, and you're good to go. So now every time you turn on your voice navigation, the directions are going to be in Spanish. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.